iPhone 17 Pro Max has arrived, and it's making waves. With its latest iOS 26 operating system, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology, this phone is definitely a game changer. Let's dive into what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max stand out from the crowd. First up, the display. iPhone 17 Pro Max takes it to the next level with a 6.9-inch display and 3000 nits brightness. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or playing the latest mobile game, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about performance. With the Apple A19 Pro chip and 4.26 GHz hexa-core processor and ample 12 GB RAM and 2 TB storage, multitasking feels effortless. Switching between apps is seamless, and demanding games run like a charm. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled too. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features triple 48-megapixel camera setup that can record video up to 4K at 120 FPS. The low-light performance is exceptional, making those nighttime shots surprisingly clear. Plus, the new AI features help enhance your photography skills, ensuring you capture the perfect moment every time. Supports 25W MagSafe charging and massive 5088 mAh battery. You'll spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your phone. In conclusion, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a powerhouse packed with features. From its gorgeous display to its impressive performance and camera capabilities, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, make sure to put the iPhone 17 Pro Max at the top of your list.